In this video, let's learn how to use talk back option. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. In here you can see talk back option, click on it. You can enable this talk back shortcut, click on it. After you can enable it, allow. I am using to enable this talk back option using accessibility shortcut button. You can see it on here. Now I come to back. In here you can enable talk back option.
Talk back on. Talk back.
Now I will tell you how to use this talk back button. You can see the instruction in here. Swipe right or left to move between items and double tap to activate an item and drag two fingers to scroll. We can drag two fingers to scroll like this. If you want to activate some item, we want to double tap. Now if I want to go to back, I want to double tap. Now I press my back key and I want to double tap to my back key.
Back button. Window navigation bar. Double tap to activate.
You can see the instructions. Now I double tap to my back key.
Accessibility. Navigate up button.
Now I can turn off this talkback option by double tapping on this icon. Now I am going to double tap this icon. 1, 2. I think talkback option off.
Talk back.
No,
list.
not yet
10
off.
items. Accessibility.
1, 2.
Talk back off.
Okay, now talkback option is going to off. If you like this feature, you can enable. It is very interesting.